South Carolina law enforcement and insurance companies have noticed that criminals are targeting the state, staging fake medical claims and phony car crashes. Caroline Yaffa tells us about a new committee in Columbia that's stepping in to protect your insurance dollars.
You know, insurance fraud happens every day across South Carolina, and organized fraud rings are staging car accidents by deliberately crashing into innocent drivers and filing false injury claims.
We're looking for people who are trying to enrich themselves unjustly by giving false information.
A new task force in the South Carolina State House was formed to listen to concerns from law enforcement and insurance companies to protect South Carolinians. The committee held a meeting this week in hopes of answering questions. Chief Mark Keel from the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division says he needs more resources.
We are committed to this. We want to continue to add investigators. We want to continue to prosecute these cases.
We believe that the fraud ecosystem in South Carolina can improve dramatically if we have more resources to go after these bad actors.
Underwood says a big problem is that South Carolina only has 7, almost 8 investigators fighting insurance fraud across the state.
So 5,000 complaints last year, SLED opened 152 cases and made 71 arrests. If you compare us to Virginia, they have granted more people, they have 8 million people, they have 28 agents.
Jeff Thordahl, the executive director of the South Carolina Insurance Association, sent us this statement that reads in part, "We are glad the House of Representatives is looking at fraud and other issues that affect insurance rates. Insurance fraud is not a victimless crime. Every time insurers pay fraudulent or overinflated claims, those costs are ultimately borne by policyholders." South Carolina is ranked number 15 in questionable claims throughout the country, and law enforcement says that since we are a smaller state, that puts us disproportionately high. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.